The responsible use of metrics. Fair research assessment at the University of Dundee. What do we mean by the responsible use of metrics? Our research environment and research culture are changing, and the processes for research assessment should therefore also change. This means we need to scrutinise our methods of research assessment and re-evaluate what is important, taking into consideration the type of research being conducted and how it is disseminated. In order to capture the contribution to science and society more broadly, our emphasis should be on evaluation of the quality of the research, and not be reliant on a narrow set of quantitative methods of assessment metrics. Metrics are a series of measures used to quantify, assess, and monitor published research. Traditional bibliometrics are created by counting citations and publication numbers, or by using journal impact factors to rank journals, and metrics such as the H-index to rank researchers. In recent years, these have been joined by alternative metrics, also known as altmetrics, which measure attention through social media and news platforms to assess impact and reach beyond academia. Collectively, these metrics have been used to assess individual researchers, their research, and research institutions. A core principle of the responsible use of metrics is that these quantitative metrics, which have played and will continue to play an important role in research assessment, should not be used in isolation. We need to value the diversity of outputs, activities, and research practices that contribute to research quality and impact, so that a more balanced overview of the research is assessed. So how do we do this? Taking our lead from the publication The Metric Tide, from guidance issued by the Wellcome Trust, and from our commitment as a signatory of the San Francisco Declaration on Research Assessment, the university believes that we should develop research assessment processes that embrace and acknowledge the diversity of research and encourage a strong research culture and environment. We believe that these processes, whether they be for promotion or recruitment and for all stages of career, should be regularly reviewed, and that when metrics are used as part of the research assessment process, they are not used in isolation and should be supported by qualitative review inclusive of all types of research outputs and practices. Also, we should be aware of the quality of data underpinning metrics and make use of guidance available to us from reliable sources to monitor the appropriateness and currency of indicators and data sets used in the generation of metrics. Finally, we should encourage engagement with existing processes and policy to ensure that research being assessed is also recorded in the University of Dundee's institutional repository, the Discovery Research Portal, regardless of what form the research output or activity takes.